Hi. This is Colin from Singapore. Okay, and today I would like to talk to you about the stacking method. All right. Now, the stacking method consists of 10 team members. All right, and they are split into two teams, Team A and Team B. Now, Team A are the weaker networkers, and Team B are the strong networkers. All right. Now, the team A, the weaker networkers can consist of family members, people who just started networking, or just people who really need the money. All right. Okay. Now you are at this position at this moment. All right. And on the right, you will see the team A, which is the power line. We call this the power line. Okay. And they are the weaker team, and they are stacked by the Cyberswarm method. Okay. Now, cyberswarm method is when the number one sponsors number two sponsors number three sponsors number four sponsors number five. Okay, so they will start off with all will start off with one downline at least minimum. All right. Okay, now on the team B side is known as the pay line. The payline is made up of very strong networkers. Now, these people do not need to be told what to do. They already know because they are in the system and have been doing marketing, network marketing for a long time. So they will grow their team very fast. Okay, they are the stronger team and all sponsored by you. Okay, now at the time when you want to put in all these five people, you will offer all of them at the same time. Say, grab your position. Okay, and they will fill up very fast. The one, two, three, four, five is on the left side. So use the fear of loss method with them. All right. So this is the way it is done. So number one, number two, number three, number four, number five on the right will take some time, okay, to build. And after that, you put in your networkers, which will catch up with the right side. Okay, the left side will catch up with the right side, and you will be more or less quite even. Okay, in the beginning. Then you put in the next 10 people below them again. All right, and it goes on and on. All right, thank you very much for listening to this short video. I'll see you again on the next one.